How does Goldie not show his paws at an assembly? This is how Goldie did not show his paws. He does not stay with his class. He is using a loud voice. He does not keep his paws to himself. He does not respect the speaker. He is distracting his neighbors. This is how Goldie shows his paws at an assembly. What were the things Goldie did to show his paws? He enters with his class. He uses a quiet voice. He keeps his paws in his personal space. He keeps his eyes on the speaker. He sits flat on the floor.